Did you know that you can make a homemade lava lamp with simple household items? It's all about understanding density, the reason why oil floats on water. Now, isn't that a cool and fun way to start our science journey today? So grab a clear glass, oil, water, food coloring, and a fizzy tablet like alka-seltzer. First, fill a quarter of the glass with water. Pour oil until it's almost full. Now, add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Here comes the fun part. Drop in the fizzy tablet and watch as it causes the colored oil to break apart, creating a mesmerizing dance of colorful blobs moving up and down. Just like magic, isn't it? Voila! You've just made your very own lava lamp. Ever wondered why your hair stands on end when you rub a balloon on it? That's called static electricity, a fascinating phenomenon caused by an imbalance of electrical charges within or on the surface of a material. It's like a mini lightning storm. Want to see it in action? Try this. Rub a balloon on your hair, then bring it close to an empty can on a table. Watch as the can rolls towards the balloon, drawn by the invisible power of static electricity. See, science can be quite electrifying, can it? Prepare to be amazed as you turn ordinary milk into a swirling color show. This isn't just magic, folks. It's science at its most colorful and fun. Here's what's happening. Milk is made up of water, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats. When you add food coloring, it floats on the top because it is less dense than milk. But here's where the magic happens. When you add a drop of dish soap, it tries to join with the fats in the milk, creating a churning motion. As the soap moves to join the fats, it carries the food coloring with it, creating a beautiful burst of colors. It's a fascinating example of how different substances interact with each other. To try this at home, all you need is a shallow dish of milk, a few drops of different colored food coloring, and a tiny bit of dish soap. Just remember, the magic is in the motion. And there you have it, a magical milk color show right before your eyes. Ever wanted to write secret messages like a spy? Well, guess what? You can, with the help of a little science and a lemon. Here's how. First, squeeze out some juice from a lemon. This will be your invisible ink. Dip a cotton swab or a thin paintbrush in the juice and write your message on a piece of paper. Let it dry completely. Now here's where the magic happens. When you heat the paper gently, say with a light bulb or a hairdryer, the message appears. This is because the heat causes the lemon juice, which is an acid, to react and turn brown. How cool is that? So, the next time you want to pass a secret note, why not use science? Wow, we've just explored a tiny fraction of the wonders of science. We've stirred up a homemade lava lamp, felt the power of static electricity, wowed at the colors of magic milk, and even dabbled in some secret messaging with invisible ink. Each of these experiments reveals a little more about the fascinating world around us. And the best part is, you can try them all at home. So why not give them a whirl? Maybe you can create a rainbow with your magic milk, or send a secret message to a friend with your invisible ink. But remember, always ask for an adult's help when you're trying these experiments, especially those that involve heat or sharp objects. We want to make sure you're exploring safely after all, and don't forget to share your experiences. We'd love to hear about your homemade lava lamp or how your invisible ink messages turned out. Science is an amazing adventure, and it's right there in your kitchen or bedroom, just waiting for you to discover it. Remember, science is everywhere and in everything we do. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun.